Is the Kalm Bracelet a scam in 2026, or is it actually worth your time and money? I know you've seen the ads, bracelets promising to melt away anxiety, detox your body, or even balance your chakras. But let's cut through the wellness hype and get real about what's actually legit. First up, when most people talk about Kalm, they're usually talking about the herbal supplement by UNWD, which used to be called Mind Hacks Kalm, and honestly, this brand is the real deal. They're not selling bracelets, they're selling supplements. The reviews are strong, especially for anxiety relief, and customers actually get their orders and support when needed. If you see Kalm with a supplement, you're probably safe. But what about all those Kalm or Kalm bracelets popping up on your feed? Here's where things get tricky. Jewelry brands like 7 Kalm, Kalm Bracelet, and a bunch of others make big promises. Less stress, better sleep, weight loss, you name it. But let's be honest, there's no real science behind a magnetic or stone bracelet curing anxiety or draining your lymphatic system. If it helps you feel better, it's probably just the placebo effect doing its thing. Now, I've seen some pretty shady tactics. Brands with no contact info, customer complaints about refunds, or those sketchy deals you find in Facebook groups. If they block you after payment or say their bracelet is a breakthrough, that's a huge red flag. Bottom line, if you want a proven wellness product, stick with the UNWD supplement. If you just like how a bracelet looks, that's cool too. Just don't expect magic. Always check for legit reviews and real customer support before you buy. Stay smart, stay well, and remember, wellness should make you feel good, not worried about being scammed.